We have numerator, we have denominator in our equation. So first objective is to remove denominators from our equation. I will multiply equation by cube root 12 in LHS and in RHS. Let's multiply. We will cancel cube root 12 with the denominator cube root 12. So here we can write cube root 12 times cube root x over 12. So we can club both the cube roots. We can write like this, plus cube root of 12 times x minus 18 over 6. And in RHS, we'll write cube root of 12 times x minus 12. Now we will simplify. We will cancel 12 and 12. 12 over 6 is 2. So we will get cube root of x plus cube root of 2 times x minus 18 equal to cube root of 12 times x minus 12. Now we can factor 12 4 times 3 and we can multiply this 2 with both the terms in the bracket and write cube root of x plus cube root of 2x minus 36 equal to cube root of 4 times 3. We have x minus 12. In next step, we can multiply 3 with the bracket terms and we can get cube root of x plus cube root of 2x minus 36 equal to cube root of 4 times in bracket 3x minus 36. Now we should use substitutions. Let us consider cube root x equal to a, cube root of 2x minus 36 equal to b. So we will write here cube root x, if it is equal to a, after cubing both sides we will get a cube equal to x. Similarly, cube root of 2x minus 36, if this is equal to b, after cubing both sides we will get b cube equal to 2x minus 36. Now we have to add these two equations. So we will be getting a cube plus b cube equal to x plus 2x is 3x minus 36, which is here. So in RHS we can write cube root of 4 times, let's write cube root of 4 times, and this is a cube plus b cube. So we have equation a plus b equal to cube root of 4 times in bracket a cube plus b cube. Now we have cube root in right hand side. So we have to consider cubing of the equation. We will put power 3 over here. We will put power 3 over here. Cube root and cube will get over. So we will get a plus b whole cube equal to 4 times a cube plus b cube. Now we are going to use a plus b whole cube identity in left hand side. So we will get a cube plus b cube plus 3 times ab times a plus b. This must be equal to 4 times a cube plus b cube will be written as 4a cube plus 4b cube. Now we will take all the terms to right hand side and we will write 0 in LHS. So in RHS there will be 4a cube minus a cube, we can write 3a cube. 4b cube minus b cube, we will write plus 3b cube. And then we'll write minus 3 times ab times a plus b. Now we can take 3 common. So I will write 3 is common in the bracket. There will be a cube plus b cube minus ab times a plus b. This must be equal to 0. Or we'll be writing a cube plus b cube minus ab times a plus b equal to 0. Again we can use sum of two cubes identity. So I will write here a plus b in one bracket. In other bracket a square plus b square minus ab. Then we have minus ab times a plus b. And in RHS we have 0. Now a plus b is overall common. So we will take a plus b common out. In other bracket we will write a square plus b square minus ab equal to 0. Or we can write a plus b times a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now we know that a square plus b square minus 2ab is a minus b whole square. So here we can write a minus b whole square. So we can write equation a plus b times a minus b whole square equal to 0. Now we can use product 0 rule. So either a plus b equal to 0 or a minus b whole square will be equal to 0. So from our first equation we will get a equal to minus b. And from second equation we will write a minus b equal to 0 or a equal to b. So we have two results. Either a should be equal to minus b or a should be equal to b. Then we are going to get real solutions. Now we have to plug in a and b back here. So if I will write here a value, then a was cube root x. And if I will write b value, then b was cube root of 2x minus 36. Let us put both the values over here. So I will begin with a equal to minus b. Let's put a equal to cube root x equal to minus of cube root of 2x minus 36. Now we have cube root both sides. We will cube both sides. So I will write here power 3 in LHS and RHS. So we can write cube. We can write cube. Cube root and cube will get over. We will get x in LHS. And in RHS, minus 1 cube is minus 1. So minus will be there. Cube root and cube will get over. So minus of 2x minus 36, which will be equal to x equal to 2x plus 36. And here we need to put minus sign. Now we'll take minus 2x to the LHS. So 3x will be equal to 36. After dividing by 3 both sides, we are going to get x equal to 12, which is our first real solution. Now we will take up a equal to b condition. So I will write here if a equal to b, that means cube root of x equal to cube root of 2x minus 36. Again we have cube roots both sides. We are going to cube both sides. So power 3, cube root and cube will get over for x belongs to real numbers. So in LHS there will be x. In RHS we will get 2x minus 36. Now we'll take this minus 36 to the LHS and this x to the RHS. So we will write 36 equal to 2x minus x. Sign change will be there. So 36 will be equal to x. So our second real solution is x equal to 36. So we have two real values of x which will satisfy our cube root equation, x equal to 12 and x equal to 36. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye-bye.